Hey, Corbanthians! Randy here of Corbanth Sabers, here to show you how your Master Chassis Kylo Saber works. So, when you first get it, there is 3 screws. There's one there, and one there that will be in little baggies. We're not going to put it in. You can put it in as you see fit. If it was me, I would just use this middle one here. I wouldn't use these side ones. I mean, you can if you want to complete the look, but start with the middle one and then put in the side ones. It's a little hard to get it aligned. That's why I just used this one here. But this has you can, to open this up, pull this little wire out, and then you twist it and turn it, and be very careful when you pull this out. This metal chassis has a couple of parts here. It's got this door that opens up so you can pull the battery out. Make sure you know that the positive side of the battery, or the nub, goes into this backside where there's another nub. If you put the battery in backwards and turn it on, it could blow out the Profi, and that would be no good. So always remember, in a battery, flat goes to the flat battery tab and the nub goes to the nub. Make sure you put this in a charger that's provided. You need to charge it overnight. It's very important. So let's go ahead and put this in. And then this is the on-off switch right here. You can close this. Be very careful. Now, see if I got something to open these with. These little pieces here all open up. It's just hard to get them open, but all these little pieces carefully open up. Some of them are a little tighter than others. They're all held in by magnets. They all have like where you can just sort of pull that down. I don't have anything to grip this with, but you kind of get the idea that all these can be pulled down if you want to expose the crystal. One button up here turns the lightsaber on, and one changes fonts. So that turns it on. This shows your battery life. So that's pretty much it that you need to know about it. As far as to turn it on, you can push the button to light it up, and you can hold it down to turn it off, or you can twist it off. This button changes fonts.
The Force is with you, young Skywalker.
May the Force be with you.
Only a Sith.
Master Win.
I can bring you.
This is it.
These aren't the
Traitor!
Rey Skywalker.
The Force.
May the Force.
Only a Sith deals in absolutes.
So we turn it off, turn it back on.
Another happy landing.
Okay.
Your move.
So you got your Kylo in there, as well as all the other fonts. So that's pretty much, I think, all you need to know. Under here is the blade retention screw for the side blades, and then there's a blade retention screw for the main blade. It's not a real heavy dueling saber, so I wouldn't be very rough with it, especially with this Master Chassis. This is a fragile chassis, so when you put this back in, let's see, what's the best way to put this in here? There you go. This goes up, it twists until it gets into place. You can use the one screw here, and then you can plug this into there, and now you have your
Master Windu.
I can bring you in.
This is it.
These aren't the
Traitor!
Rey Skywalker.
The Force is with you.
May the Force be with you.
There you go. May this be the prize you've always been waiting for. Thanks for staying with us. Take care.